It is absolutely insane to not only see a company like Philips dabble in e-paper, but that they are starting their e-ink career with some of the least conventional items in history. Thank you to Philips for sending us this sample. This is the Philips Business Monitor 3000 series, and it was actually pulled from the Business Monitor that came out a month before. We've been getting a lot of these big boy boxes recently, so let us crack it open and see what is all lurking beneath the shadows. So we have some quick start guide and the Business Monitor information. Now this is not to be confused with the Business Monitor normal one, which is the LCD LED combo pack. This one is the Business Monitor 3000 series. Keep that in mind. You get your USB-C cable right here, USB-C to USB-C. You also get an HDMI full to full, no micros or anything like that, and you get your wall outlet, but it is not North American wall outlet. You will need a converter, and we got a couple converters. Here it is, actually, right off camera. It's right here. So what you would do is you would actually plug this in like that, and then that would convert it into a North American, Canadian, Mexico, America, Japan, that kind of thing. So you need that. You will absolutely require that. This is the DC adapter, the AC DC adapter that actually is outside of the device unit. So you would plug that into there and plug it into the unit itself. This should be the bottom stand, I believe. Let's go ahead and crack this open. This is very heavy, by the way. This is very weighted, and as it should be, because you have a very expensive piece of e-paper technology, you need it to be protected. This is the base, and it has a threaded screw that has a little butterfly bolt on it in which you can screw it. No tools required. You can just use your hand. This should be the top backing that goes to the back of the device. So let's crack this open. This is also very heavy, and this one is structured in such a way where it connects to the device perfectly, and it also has a spring loaded up and down, so you can actually move the device up and down without any sort of configuration. Then you get a little cardboard layout here. And now this is the big point of the whole thing, is the actual Business Monitor. This itself is not very heavy. This is an EPD, an electronic paper display. It's a 13.3 inch, and it doesn't have any batteries or anything on board, so technically it doesn't have to be very heavy. Just looking at this, this is the same panel that was connected to the Business Monitor that is now completely autonomous. On the back you get a couple ports. You see you get your HDMI, you get your display port, USB-C, and your audio, as well as the power cable. So this is everything that comes in the box with the Philips Business Monitor 3000 series. This is not the LCD combo pack. This one is the dedicated e-paper monitor and the second e-ink device from the company. For GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.